All right, so hello, good morning, everyone. Hello, can you guys hear me? Mic test, mic test.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I think it's okay now. All right, so let us wait 1 more minute, okay, for the others. Okay, no more 1 minute, no more 1 more minute since it's already 11:35. So waiting time is already over. So I guess we can start now. All right, so as usual, let's start with your concerns. So anyone who has a questions or a clarification so far? Then, regarding with your lab number 7, lab number 8. So the submission tab is now open. So the due date of this one is of course October 8th. So the same date with your final exam. So yeah, four additional activities. Well, actually two only since lab number 7 and 8 was already announced way back on week number 4. This one right here. Lab number 7 and 8 instruction. So this is where you are going to submit your lab number 7 and 8 with the working functionalities. So it should be a complete program, not just the interface itself. All right. Okay, so there is a question right here. Good morning, sir. Ano po yung ipapas? Yung zip file po ba mismo or extract po muna tapos yung folder na extract yung SL? No, no, no. It should be the entire folder. Okay, that's why I asked you guys to zip or compress that file first. So it could be, either of those two format. Could be a RAR format or a zip format. So either of those two, it would be fine. Okay, so they are just the same. So I would like you guys to submit the complete folder, okay, the compressed folder, not the extracted folder. Because if it's just the SLN file, I won't be able to read or, check your program properly. Okay, so there will be an error. So if that is the one that you're going to submit, I'll give you 0 right away. Okay, kasi wala akong mababasa doon. Okay, so it should be the entire folder. Okay, so maybe you guys or to those who doesn't know how to compress a file, so let me give you guys a sample. Okay, so for example, oops. All right, so for example, I would like to, okay, this is one. I would like to compress this mini pizza ordering program that I have in here. So if you're going to open this one, so it composes of this three uh, thing. So I don't know this one, but yeah, I think it's necessary. So that just don't delete that one. And then this one composed of your forms and then some of your like objects, okay, and many more, okay, inside of that folder. So just don't touch anything on that one, okay. And then this is the SLN file that maybe Miss Ringor is talking about. So yeah, this is the one that we need to open if we're going to test that program or open that certain program. Okay, don't just submit this one. Okay, I need the entire folder. So it should be this mini pizza ordering folder. So just right click this one and find the add to archive, or you can just click this one, compress an email. But in my case, I always go to add to archive. Okay, so you can just rar or zip. So either of those two, but rar is much more safer. Okay, what I mean by safer. So this one is when it comes to a like just in case that there something happened between the sender and receiver. Okay, so this zip file tends to have a more error files or corrupted files. Okay, but that's most unlikely to happen. So, but there is a chance. Okay, there's still a chance, like maybe 1% or 2%. But this a RAR file, so it's like 99.99% safer. Okay, so most likely you won't get an error, or you won't get a corrupted file inside of this RAR file. Okay, so after clicking that RAR file, so you can just click OK, and then it will start compressing this uh, whatever is that file, and then this is now the one that you need to submit, or you're the one that you're going to submit. Okay, so yeah, I hope this one helps to those people who doesn't know how to compress the file. So you can see that you need to extract this one first, and it will be back into something like this, and then you can test that one as as the normal way. Because if you're going to test this one, in the one that is in a compressed file, you're going to have an error. Okay, so make sure to extract that one first before you will open that certain file. Okay, so I hope that one helps. So who is that? Purpose, you have a question so far?
Erwin, kunin mo kayong cutter.
Right, so I will mute you for now, Mr. Corpus. It's accident. All right. Okay, so any other questions so far? Questions or clarification? All right, so while waiting, so again, you will just have a short walkthrough regarding with your module 9, this VB3 Visual Basic Looping. So in this module, okay, you guys, or we will only talk, okay, up to, where is that one? Yeah, up to 43 slide only, okay, or up to 42 slide only, okay, and you can ignore the 43 slide 43 up to slide 109, since mostly they are just exercises to test your programming skill. Okay, and of course there are some additional knowledge that you will still learning here, but most likely they are just a practice exercises. Okay, so you can just ignore them due to a lack of time. Okay, and you guys now only have like almost 9 days, I guess, before 9 days or 10 days before your final exam. So make sure to finish all of the activities that I have given to you guys. So again, for the module 9, so just learn the slide 1 to slide 42. Okay, so under this watch video, so this one only talks about, so just click this number 4, this COMPFP1 Visual Basic Looping. So this is the Zoom meeting of the last sem, okay, on my class. So this is just a 1 hour and 8 minute video, unlike the module 7 and 8. So they are like 3 hour long video, but this one is 1 hour only. Okay, so this one only talks about the slide 1 to slide 43. Okay, so yeah. And if ever that you have a question, so just let me know. Or if you need more information, maybe, so you can check these 3 links right here that came from YouTube. So they might help you figure out your questions regarding with loops, regarding with for next loop, regarding with about loopings. So we have different kinds of loopings. And yeah, and then if you need more practice exercises, then you can check this at external links right here. Okay, and then as usual, you're going to have a case study or a discussion. Okay, so the due date of this one is also on October 8th. Then after this, I think we will still meet, this coming Wednesday or this coming Friday. Okay. Yeah, just to announce or just to give you guys maybe some tips regarding with your lab number 7 and 8. So that depends if you have a clarification that needs to be, talk about, with this Zoom meeting, okay, not just a via chat or just a via email. Okay. So if you need a demo, so just message me so we can do that one. Then after that, of course, would be your final exam already. So that would be next, yeah, next week, October 8th. Okay. So time is really fast. Then after that will be the second half already. All right. So any questions so far or clarification? So none. So if you guys don't have a question, so I think just give me thumbs up just to let me know that everything's good and you guys are doing fine. Okay. So there were at least maybe 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's like 8 out of 19 or 20. Okay, then. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this meeting since all of the discussions are already done. So all you need to do is just watch that one. Okay. So yeah, and if you guys don't have a question or clarification anymore, then I think you guys may know go. So thank you guys for coming and happy lunch and then keep safe.
Happy lunch, sir.
Happy lunch too.
Bye, sir.
Mhm. Oh, you have just joined us, Miss Janeline. Well, the meeting is already over, actually. So, just watch the recorded video, Miss Janeline, since katatapos lang ng meeting. Well, kung meron kang question, so we can still go on. You have a question so far or clarification? Miss Janeline, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay. So, any question or clarification so far regarding your
Wait lang.
laboratories, maybe case studies, quizzes? Since that is the main reason why we're having this meeting right now. And then, yung mga umalis mong kaklase, they don't have any question. Well, there's one, but yeah, just one. Okay, it's like they're doing good, they're doing fine. So, wala man lang naging problema about their maybe about their quizzes or their laboratory. So I hope it's the same with you too. Oh, wala. Hindi man lang nagpaalam.